Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Introducing the Garmin Vivoactive 6, a smarter, sharper upgrade for fitness and everyday health. With its brighter display, enhanced sensors, and longer-lasting battery, it delivers more accurate tracking and a smoother experience from workouts to wellness. Whether you're running, training, or just staying active, it keeps you connected, informed, and motivated all day long. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Garmin Vivoactive 6. Charging cable and documentation pamphlets. Technical specifications. Meet the Garmin Vivoactive 6, a smartwatch designed to keep up with your lifestyle and fitness. Its polymer case with aluminum bezel, strengthened glass, and quick-release silicone strap make it comfortable and durable for all-day wear. The 1.2-inch AMOLED display with 390 by 390 pixels can stay always on or save battery, while the 42.2mm case at just 23 grams fits most wrists perfectly. Powered by Garmin's proprietary chipset and 8GB storage, it handles apps, music, and tracking smoothly. Health tracking includes heart rate, pulse ox, sleep, body battery, stress, respiration, hydration, fitness age, and women's health. Sensors include optical HR, pulse OX, accelerometer, gyro, compass, and ambient light, with support for external sensors. It's water-resistant up to 5 ATM, lightweight, and ready for swimming or workouts. Battery life lasts up to 11 days in smartwatch mode or 21 hours with GPS. Connectivity comes via Bluetooth and T+, Wi-Fi, Garmin Pay, and Garmin Connect. Controls include touchscreen and buttons, with music playback, notifications, and voice assistant support. Finally, the software offers Garmin OS with 80+ sport modes, animated workouts, Garmin coach plans, customizable screens, incident detection, and live track, giving you a full, smart, and personal experience on your wrist. Product features. Vivoactive 4 monitors a wide variety of health metrics: heart rate, blood oxygen, pulse ox, sleep quality, stress levels, respiration, hydration, and even women's health. This lets you track overall wellness, not just workouts, offering insights into recovery, fatigue, and daily health trends. The watch includes built-in GPS, plus support for multiple GNSS networks, and supports dozens of sports and activity modes: running, cycling, swimming, yoga, strength training, etc. Whether you're going for a run, cycling, or hitting the gym, the watch tracks it precisely and logs data automatically. It works like a full smartwatch. You get notifications, smartphone connectivity, and can store music directly on the watch, plus offline playback. Combined with support for contactless payments, where supported, it replaces basic smartphone tasks, handy for workouts or everyday use without needing your phone in hand. Vivoactive 4 delivers long battery life, several days on a single charge depending on use, is water-resistant, suitable for swimming and daily wear, and uses a robust build ideal for 24/7 wear. So you don't need to constantly recharge, and you can wear it during sleep, workouts, or daily routines without worries. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. Let's take a closer look at the layout of your smartwatch. On the right side, you'll find 2 main buttons, the Start button at the top and the Back button just below it. The Start button is your gateway to the watch's features. Hold it for a couple of seconds to turn the watch on, tap it to access activities and apps, or hold it longer to see controls and even request assistance. The Back button, on the other hand, helps you navigate smoothly, letting you return to previous screens, and if you hold it, you can access a customizable shortcut feature. Of course, the touchscreen is at the heart of your interaction. Swipe in any direction to scroll through menus, glances, and features. Tap to select options, and a simple swipe right will take you back to the previous screen. Together, these buttons and touchscreen gestures make navigating your watch intuitive and effortless. Wearing the watch. Get the perfect fit for all-day comfort. To remove the strap, press the quick release pin and slide it out. Repeat on the other side. To attach a new strap, align it with the lug, press the pin, and lock it in place. Ensure both sides are secure and your watch is ready to wear. Place the watch comfortably on your wrist, ensuring the back sensors make full contact with your skin. Adjust the strap for a snug, but not tight fit, so it stays in place during daily activities and accurately tracks your health metrics. How to pair. To pair your Garmin Vivoactive 6 with your phone, first ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone, then install the Garmin Connect app from the App Store or Google Play and log in or create an account. Turn on the watch by pressing and holding the light button, then follow the initial setup prompts, including language and time. When prompted to pair the phone, select Yes. The watch will display a QR code. Open Garmin Connect on your phone, scan the code, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Once connected, the watch and phone will sync, allowing you to configure additional preferences such as wrist orientation and notifications. If pairing fails, restart both devices, remove any previous pairings, keep the devices close together, and make sure both the app and watch firmware are up to date. How to charge. Connect the USB end of the charging cable to a power source and attach the charging clip to the watch's back, aligning the contacts. The watch will display a charging icon when charging begins. For best battery health, charge when low and avoid leaving it plugged in at 100% for long periods. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open Settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Turn off the watch. Press and hold the top and bottom buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding until the reset prompt appears. The watch will perform a hard reset and restart, restoring factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Garmin Connect app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the Garmin Vivoactive 6 keeps things lightweight and sporty with its polymer body and aluminum bezel, giving you a comfortable design that's built for daily workouts. On the other hand, the Google Pixel Watch 4 leans into a more premium, smartwatch style look, with a metal casing and refined finishes that feel more luxurious on the wrist. Display and sizes. The Vivoactive 6 brings a bright 1.2-inch AMOLED display in a compact 42mm frame, perfect for all-day wear without weighing you down. The Pixel Watch 4 steps things up with a larger, more striking display and a design that stands out, ideal if you prefer a bold, modern smartwatch presence. Battery and storage. Garmin focuses on endurance. The Vivoactive 6 easily lasts multiple days on a single charge, making it reliable for travel, workouts, and long routines. The Pixel Watch 4 delivers stronger app support and onboard storage for media, but with its smartwatch power, you'll be charging more often than with Garmin. Pros and cons. The Garmin Vivoactive 6 is built for fitness and daily wear. Its battery lasts several days, tracking heart rate, pulse ox, sleep, stress, and a wide range of workouts. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for 24/7 use. On the downside, the 1.2-inch screen and polymer build feel less premium, and smartwatch features and third-party apps are limited. While it excels in health tracking and reliability, it trades off style and advanced smartwatch functions for practicality. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.